The Rambler has been fun to use. I've grilled on it, fajitas, chicken, but you know what? You could also smoke on it. Indirect cooking. Your heat on one side, your meat on the other side. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the Rambler. I got some turkey thighs. We're going to smoke that. I'm going to use some mesquite wood chunks. So stick around, and you know, it's not just for grilling on the tabletop. You'll see how to smoke on it. Alright. Now I'm going to get some Kingsford. And just, I'm just going to go with more about that much. And kind of just bring it to one side. Now you don't have to do it this way. You can use a charcoal chimney if you want starter, but I got some time to kill and it's Sunday, so we'll just go this route. Get it started. Let it pile up to one side. So we're going to do the heat on one side and then the meat on the other side, the turkey thighs, indirect cooking. So we'll wait. We'll let the charcoal get going and I'll bring you back. Alright, I like the way the charcoal's looking. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this pan in there for dripping pan right there. And I'm going to put back my cooking grate. And I'm going to get the temp, read the temp on there so I can know where it's at. And like I said before, I'm going to go for probably for about up to 275, try to keep it there. So I'm going to close it up. Turn on the ink bird. There it goes. Open up wide. For the moment, open this up and then I'll adjust it to get the temp that I need. So I'll bring it back. Alright, there it is. My temp sitting at 266, so I'm good with that. There's one turkey thigh. And then here's the other. Now this one's a lot smaller than this one, so this one might expect to cook a lot quicker than this one. But if not, it'll be good if they cook at the same time, but more likely I don't think they will. That's the charcoal. Eventually I'm going to have to place more charcoal on there. And what I did is I did season this little one with black pepper and salt, and this one with BBQ Sexy Chicken barbecue. Pretty good rub. There's that rub, Sexy Chicken, JP barbecue. And this is just black pepper and salt. But we're gonna let it ride. We're gonna let it cook. Who knows how long it's gonna take? That's the fun about barbecue. Just sit back, relax, and let the meat cook. Let the pit do its thing. Alright folks, my temp has dropped down to 239. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to place some more briquettes. And the temp's been sitting around, probably around, I want to say close to 266. And I did forget to mention that I did put mesquite. So I'm going to go ahead and place another mesquite wood chunk on there. Looking pretty good. This is about 45 minutes in. Not done yet. It's looking good. We'll continue on. Oh, Mesquite is smelling good. Look at that Rambler smoke. Yeah. That's what that Rambler does. Alright, 2 hours have passed, so let's see what the internal temperature of those thighs are looking like. Got my ink board right here. Oh yeah, that's ready. Oh yeah. It's time to take them off. After 2 hours, that's what my charcoal looks like. Looking pretty good. That's the conclusion to this video right here. As you just saw right now, I did some indirect cooking on this Rambler. I just wanted to show you that, you know, you can cook almost anything on there. Indirect cooking, you don't have to grill on it. You know, I know it's a tabletop, you know, you take it with you wherever you need to go. Easy to grill whatever you need to grill on there, but you can also smoke on there, no problem with that. You just saw I just did it right now. You can do, you know, whole chicken, you can do small like little brisket, you know, maybe a flat 2 or 3 pounder flat on there, no issues at all. But you know, you will have to keep adding charcoal every so often to keep your temp up, whatever temp you're going at. But it has an easy access to remove the ashes, dump it, and put that tray back in there. You know, it's very simple, real easy to do. And this total took time right now on the thighs was just 2 hours. Temp was close around 260, 266. So it wasn't that bad at all. Just adding maybe, I want to say 7 to 8 charcoal briquettes. That's it, and that's done. So I just wanted to show you that you just don't have to grill on it. You can also smoke on it. But it's time to eat. So thank you for watching. Until next time, smoke on, everyone.